Hey everyone, JMS Audio. This is a 2014 Honda CRV. We did an Android 10.1 conversion from the factory radio. Has all factory retentions. You can do navigation, you can do a hotspot, you can do Bluetooth. We also have factory reverse. So there it is. We tapped into the main screen's signal and used the RCA's input to the back of the radio, and then when you put it back in drive or park, whatever, music comes back on, so you can hear everything while you're in reverse. But it's basically has all your settings, your radio settings. You can seek through everything, and you can hold it down right here and seek, and then find your stations that you want to do like that. And then got all your settings, your Android settings. He could do a hotspot on here, so he can go to Chrome, all that net navi. It has a iNavigation in here, antennas on the dash, on the top of the dash. He has the Bluetooth right here that he can go to, phone calls. But besides that, this is a 2014 Honda CRV with an Android 10.1 tablet, radio replacement. All factory components are still retained. Steering wheel controls and backup camera. If you need anything, just give us a call, 314-341-1266. Thanks, bye.